Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on the Scotia mobile bank app using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone. Now simply log in using a username and password. Once logged in, you will see your home screen. From the home screen, tap on more or menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From that, tap on settings. Now inside the settings menu, find and tap on security or sign in settings. Now look for an option called biometric login, face ID or touch ID depending on your iPhone model. Now turn the switch on to enable biometric login. Your iPhone will now ask you to confirm your identity using face ID, touch ID or your phone's passcode. These steps ensure that only you can enable these features. Once confirmed, biometric login is successfully turned on. From now on, when you open the Scotiabank app, you can simply look at your phone or use your fingerprint to sign in. No need to enter your password each time. And that's it. You have successfully enabled biometric login on the Scotia app using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.